This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping new inputs. Unplug external drives and peripherals to rule out hardware hangups. Once done, force a safe mode boot. Hold Shift while selecting Restart from the Sign-In or Power menu, then choose Troubleshoot Right Arrow Advanced Options, Right Arrow Startup Settings, Right Arrow Restart, and pick Safe Mode. Safe Mode loads minimal drivers, so you can test whether a driver or app caused the loading freeze. Make sure to note any recent driver updates or app installs before proceeding to targeted fixes. Now repair corrupted system files. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, wait for verification and fix attempts. If issues persist, run dism commands, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch and repair component store corruption. Once scans finish, reboot into safe mode again to uninstall any recently added drivers or updates that coincide with the problem. If you have a restore point from before the issue, use System Restore to roll Windows back. This often fixes configuration problems quickly. Finish with startup and boot record fixes. Use Advanced Startup Right Arrow Troubleshoot Right Arrow Startup Repair to let Windows automatically fix boot problems. This should be your first final attempt. If startup repair fails, rebuild the boot configuration data by using command prompt. bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/rebuild. If none of these work, boot from Windows Install Media and perform a repair install to preserve files. Troubleshooting tip: if repeated failures occur, test RAM and drive health. Faulty hardware can mimic loading screen hangs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.